In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Airtable API key. This is an essential step if you're looking to integrate Airtable with other applications or automate certain tasks using its powerful API functionalities. So let's dive in and unravel the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into Airtable. Open up your web browser and navigate over to Airtable's website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to head to the Airtable Developer Hub. This is where all the magic happens, and where you'll be able to manage your API keys and tokens. The Developer Hub is your gateway to unleashing the full potential of Airtable by allowing other apps and services to communicate seamlessly with your Airtable bases. Once you're in the Developer Hub, your next move is to click on Create New Token. This action lays the groundwork for generating your API key. You'll need to give your token a name. Choose something that makes sense and is easy to remember. The name can be anything descriptive, like Project Integration Token or Automation Script Key. Now moving on, you'll encounter the Permissions or Scopes section. This is crucial because it allows you to define exactly what your token can do. You'll need to choose the appropriate scopes that match the needs of your project. For example, if your application only needs to read records from a base, you should select data.records/read. On the other hand, if it also needs to write or update records, then you would select data.records/write as well. And if the application needs to access the structure of your bases, the schema.bases.read scope is what you would choose. Keep in mind that sufficient permissions are key to making your integrations work smoothly, but it's equally important to follow the principle of least privilege by granting only the permissions that are necessary for the task at hand to minimize security risks. After selecting the appropriate permissions, the next step is to choose which bases the token can access. Airtable enables you to specify exactly which bases your token should have access to. Remember, it's a good practice to only grant access to the bases absolutely required for your project. With everything set up, you can now hit the Create Token button. You'll notice that Airtable generates a token for you. It's very important to copy this token immediately because Airtable will only show it once. Failing to do so means you would need to create a new token if you lose it. Finally, securely store your token as it's a sensitive piece of information. Treat it like a password. Avoid sharing it and consider using a password manager to store it. And there you have it. Now you know how to obtain and manage your Airtable API key effectively. By following these steps, you ensure that you are securely and efficiently integrating Airtable with your other applications. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.